Cyclr offers a selection of general tools that allow users to add logic to integration templates and cycles. These tools are not related to specific connectors, but can be dragged and dropped into workflows as steps. There are 6 primary logic tools available in the Cyclr builder: decision, delay, wait until, wait all, annotation, and switch. These tools allow further flexibility, timing, decision-making, and clarity to be introduced into integration workflows. Decision tool, guiding data through logical paths. The decision tool allows workflows to be branched into 2 separate paths based on a condition. It uses Boolean values and therefore has 2 exit points, true and false. There are 10 different condition criteria that the decision tool can check: exists, not exists, equals, not equals, greater than, less than, in, not in, contains, and not contains. Most of these criteria, except for exists and not exists, require some data against which they can compare the input. This can be pulled in from a previous step in the workflow, or alternatively be set by selecting a merge field or providing a fixed value with a type of value option. Delay and wait until. Introducing strategic pauses. The delay tool allows a timed pause to be introduced between 2 workflow steps. The delay can be defined in seconds, minutes, and hours before the next step is supposed to act. The wait until tool, on the other hand, pauses the workflow until a specific date and time. The step can be mapped with a specific time and date value with an offset, such as 30 minutes before or an hour after the set time, where necessary. Bear in mind that the date must be within 31 days or the cycle will not complete. While the delay and wait until tools both manage timing in workflows, they serve different purposes. The delay tool is better choice when a workflow requires consistent and controlled spacing between actions. The wait until tool is best suited for workflows that require actions at specific exact times. Wait all, synchronizing transactions. The wait all tool introduces a pause to a workflow that waits for all previous steps to complete before the cycle is continued. It is especially useful for complex cycles where multiple steps need to finish before triggering the next action. The wait all tool requires no setup and can be simply dragged and dropped where the next step should wait for all previous steps to finish. However, once a wait all step is in place, any steps after it cannot be connected back to steps before it. Data can be transferred across a wait all step with the cycle storage utility connector where needed. Unlike the delay and wait until tools, which introduce time-based pauses, wait all ensures synchronization across parallel processes. Annotation, documenting integrations. The annotation tool allows notes and descriptions to be added to workflows. This is particularly useful for larger workflows where documentation can help clarify key steps in an integration. As annotations do not impact data flow, they can be placed anywhere in a workflow, before, after, above, below, or even between steps, without affecting execution. Adding annotations clarifies the logic and rationale behind important steps, ensuring consistency and clear communication between collaborators, reducing the time needed for updates or troubleshooting. Switch tool, multipath decision-making. The switch step is similar to the decision step, but instead of just 2 outputs, true or false, it allows workflows to be branched into multiple paths. The tool works by comparing the step input against defined cases, using an equality check. If the value matches a case, the workflow follows the corresponding path. And if no match is found, the workflow follows the default route. There is no limit to the number of paths that can be defined in a switch step, making it an excellent choice for workflows that require multiple branching conditions, when a simple true-false logic is not quite enough. Cyclr's logic tools provide users with more control over how data travels through the integration. By making use of decision, delay, wait until, wait all, annotation, and switch steps, workflows can be built to be more dynamic, flexible, and precise. Get in touch to learn more about these logic tools, to see them in action, and try them out for yourself.